Hey, welcome to CDC and Binder Films, and today I'm going to show you how to make an omelet. The first things you'll need is 2 eggs, a whisker, a flipper, a spatula, a bowl, some butter, salt and pepper, and all the things that you want in your omelet. So first, what I have is I'm warming up my skillet. It's almost halfway, but just a little bit under. So first, we're gonna put some butter in the pan so the omelet won't stick. And it's still not warmed up, but once that gets warmed up, it'll start melting. So then we are going to crack 2 eggs in the bowl. And after we crack these eggs, we will whisk them with our whisk. Make sure you wipe your hands after cracking the eggs, or you'll get all that bad stuff in. So our butter's almost melted, but we should wait a little so we have time for the whole pan to warm up. Now once your eggs kind of looks like that, you'll pour it in here, and I'm kind of doing a different fold, but if you sometimes just put a little pepper and a little salt in there, and then you can pour it in, and then you need to grab your spatula and do it like that, so you get it's still round, but it takes shorter to cook. And you just do this on every side till you can't do it no more. If the egg starts to break, then all you're gonna have to do is move the yolk on top into the hole, and it'll cook in the hole. So now I can't really move any of the stuff, so we wait for it to cook, and we grab our flipper thing and when it's done, when the underneath is golden brown. It's still a little bit uncooked, but omelets don't take that long. So we're getting there. For your toppings on your omelet, I put like bacon and crumbled bacon, and I add ham and cheese. You want your omelet to have cheese in it, so it'll kind of hold the omelet together, and not once you're trying to eat it, it'll flop back over. So we're almost ready to add our toppings. And you know when it's done, when it's golden brown on the bottom, and it's not that liquidy on top. It's still kind of liquidy, but that's because it's not fully done. Once you put your toppings on, it'll still be a little liquidy, but it'll let all the it'll let the cheese melt, and these two kind of cook in. So now we're gonna add our toppings, and gonna put cheese and try to put it all around, because you never kind of know which way you're gonna flip it. And then I'm gonna take some some bacon and put that like all around. Maybe some in the more in the middle like that. And then we're gonna take the ham, and if you're using the slices like these, I always kind of like rip it a little bit and set them like that on each side and like that. But I also sometimes rip it in pieces like that, kind of try to spread it. So our omelet should be almost done, and we should use our little flipper thing. And yeah, it's done. So what you're gonna want to do is get under it and just push forward. And it should look somewhat like that. Then, since it's done, we're gonna turn off our skillet, unless if we're making more. Take it over here to our plate and put it on our plate. And that's how it should look. Thanks for watching. I hope you make omelets like this at home. Bye.